In today's video, we'll be diving into 3 of the easiest skills you can learn to start making money online today, and in fact, even right now. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get started. The number one on today's list is going to be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually one of the easiest skills you can learn today to start making money online. All you simply have to do is to head to e-commerce sites like Seller, Createl, Amazon, Congo, Jumia, whatever e-commerce site you can think of, or in fact freelancing sites where we have people rendering services, and then you want to look for a product or a service you believe people are actually looking for. And now once you get that product or service, you want to get what we call an affiliate link. And now once you get that affiliate link, whatever person who buys that product or gets their service through your affiliate link, you'll be get paid a certain commission based on that sale. And that's the main idea of affiliate marketing. To make money from this easily, all you simply have to do is to look for what is actually trending today. If it's going to be based on a product, you want to look for a product that is trending. If it's going to be based on a service, you want to look for a service people are actually looking for. And one of the easiest ways you can actually make money online by doing this, based on my own personal experience, is by selecting what is trending. For example, if you're going to be going for an e-commerce site product, you want to go for a particular niche that you know people are actually looking for. A good example is going to be money or health, or in fact finance. You want to look for, let's say, an ebook talking about money, or a book talking about food, how to prepare food and things like that. But then you want to select a particular niche, create a community by creating either a WhatsApp group or Facebook group, and then you can start adding friends and family members to build a community based on that niche. And as time goes by, all you have to do is to get those products on those e-commerce sites and start sharing your affiliate links to those products for them to actually buy, and then from there you start making your commission. But then you're doing two things at the same time. You're not just earning money, but then you're rendering value as well. So that's the main idea on affiliate marketing. And number two on the list is going to be graphic design. This is actually one of the easiest ways to make money. This is actually one of the easiest skills you can go into right now to start making money with the use of tools like Canva. All you simply have to do is to look for a normal graphic design that you feel people are actually looking for, especially business owners. When you talk about logos, when you talk about flyers, you talk about posters, you talk about anything graphics at all, with Canva you can actually do this. All you have to do to get started is to start announcing that, oh, I am a graphic designer person, I can help you design your product, I can help you design your logo. And then you want to opt into groups that are built on business owners or groups that have marketers in them, and then you want to tell them that you are rendering services based on graphics. And now all you simply have to do after that is to go to Canva, and then you want to search for that particular design they need. If it's going to be logo, you want to search for logo, and by the time you click on logo, you have varieties of templates of logos. And now you want to search for a logo based on what that person requires. Let's say the person is doing a business based on shoes. You simply want to head to Canva and search for shoes. You're going to see several designs based on that shoe. Same thing applies to several other business owner or a normal individual would actually want. With Canva, you can see several templates on that particular design the person actually wants, and all you have to do is to select the template that suits what the person requires, and then start to edit it with the easy features on Canva. And now once you're done, you can even download it in several formats: PDF, JPG, JPEG, and several other formats. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is to send it to your client and get paid. In fact, you can do this right now while watching this video and you can make your money, trust me. And now the final on the list is going to be ebook writing. When I mean ebook writing, ebook is actually a form of a digital product where we have a book that is digital. It's not a physical book, and then you're sending a value based on a particular topic. Now with the use of AI tools like ChatGPT, Meta AI, Agent GPT, GPT, right, Sonic AI, and several other amazing AI tools right now. You can simply write an ebook based on whatever topic you feel is trending. It can be a topic based on men's mental health. In fact, it can be a topic based on hackers, hackers that are hacking people, how they do hack people. It can be a topic based on whatever is trending you feel people are always searching for. And then once you're done with this, you want to sell out the ebook. And now, how can you even write this ebook? You can use Canva as well to create your ebook. You can use Kindle Create to create your ebook. You can use the new ebook AI writer to create your ebook and start selling it on digital platforms like Create, Sell, Seller. And in fact, you can start announcing it, especially if it's something sending value, if it's something that is solving an issue that is currently trending. Every day we have people being hacked on WhatsApp. Every day we have people being hacked on Facebook. If you can create an ebook based on how to recover these things, how to avoid these things, trust me, without you even searching for people, people would already want to buy it. And then all you have to do is to sell it on whatever e-commerce sites out there, and then you start making your money, in fact, while sleeping. And there you have it, guys. Those are 3 of the easiest skills you can actually learn today to start making money right now. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.